NeoTech Process, where next-gen factories, robotics, and sci-fi engineering come to life.
At the edge of a dead landscape, a vast autonomous complex prepares to rewrite the soil.
Inside, an unnamed symbol marks a new species of machine, grown for one purpose. Beyond the walls, fields lie bleached and fractured, their mineral skeletons exposed, their biology long gone. Across that silence, TerraMorph Farming Bots advance, their bodies shimmering with shifting plates of living mineral. Where they pass, hardened crust relaxes, microchannels reopen, and dormant microbial worlds stir beneath each footprint. This is no tractor or plow, but a soil-native machine whose body was never manufactured. Each TerraMorph is clad in soil-reactive plates, crystalline skins grown inside towering mineral incubators, not forged. It begins with raw geology, crushed basalt, powdered quartz, rare earth ions suspended in a shimmering mineral slurry.
Transparent reservoirs feed towering incubator columns, where electromagnetic storms compress artificial geology into living material.
Robotic arms slide etched seed wafers into place, inscribing future neural and vascular networks into each plate.
Mineral vapor rises along invisible fields. Ions snap into ordered lattices, geometric frost blooming across growing wafers. Days later, a completed soil-reactive plate hovers in magnetic suspension, its surface rippling with microscopic structure.
Harvest drones carry plates through annealing corridors, where sound waves teach them to resonate with specific soils.
Beyond, an assembly hall awakens, skeletal TerraMorph frames gliding along tracks beneath coordinated robotic manipulators. Plates snap into exoskeletons like self-organizing scales, forming mechanical, electrical, and fluid connections in one motion.
At the center, robots install a soil cognition core, a geoneural processor wrapped in microbial libraries.
Fiber optic nerves branch from the core into every plate, ready to translate raw earth into living data.
Internal reservoirs fill with tailored nutrient nanofluids, biostimulants, and neutralizers, all plumbed into microscopic plate channels.
Underneath, retractable root injectors and micro-aerators install, while ultra-soft contact pads spread the bot's weight. Final sensor arrays grant subsurface vision, letting each TerraMorph perceive fields as layered maps of minerals and life. In a controlled test field of salted dust, dense clay, and scarred soil, a new TerraMorph steps forward.
Its plates awaken in cascading colors, streaming salinity, moisture, and toxin maps into the waiting cognition core.
Root injectors deliver tailored microbes and nutrients. Micro-aerators loosen compaction, and internal filters drink up poisonous brines.
Artificial rain, wind, and light cycle overhead, while cross-sections reveal soil steadily softening, detoxifying, and reawakening.
When it succeeds, the bot receives a behavioral imprint, teaching it how to coordinate seamlessly within swarming collectives.
Deployed at dusk in drought-stricken regions, TerraMorph swarms harvest fleeting humidity and stitch moisture back underground. On overfarmed plains, they choreograph fallow seasons, rebuilding carbon lattices and restoring the sponge-like structure of soil.
Small farms rely on just a handful, memorizing every contour and quietly redirecting water to where roots wait.
In post-industrial and war-scarred wastelands, TerraMorphs crawl through ash and metal, trapping toxins and seeding microbes.
Beyond Earth, adapted descendants traverse regolith on Mars, the Moon, and distant icy worlds. They become midwives of new ecosystems, guiding the slow transformation from sterile ground to self-sustaining biospheres.
On a once-abandoned farm, dawn reveals rows of silent TerraMorphs stirring as light spills across repaired soil.
As they advance, grain by grain, they prove that our future can be grown from within.
If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.